Hello everyone, today we are going to continue with the, what is it? Palindrome number. So let's get started. We have an integer x, return true if x is palindrome and false otherwise. So we have to mirror it. If the mirrored one is equal to normal one, then it's true. So is there any string method in Python? For example, is there x? Can I see the what can I put here? No. Oh, autocomplete is premium features. It's okay, we will try it. Let's say if x is dot. Okay, let's see how to do Python integer to string. Yeah, integer to string. Okay, then okay, integer. Okay, we have to put cetera. Let's try string of x is equal to. Can we do something like this? Let's try x. Let's try this. I don't think it will work, but maybe there's something like this. I will just return this thingy. Okay. I don't think there's a method like this in Python, but I want to try it. Okay, there is a method like this in Python. Maybe I remember it correctly. Okay. It accepted, and we are not the best, but not the worst. So let's try the other ones. But before that, I will explain my solution. In my solution, it will make a list of elements of x, and the minus one is working here like, let's say, my array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I put minus 1 in here, it will read this 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it worked like this, so it's true. And it's the best solution. Let's look at the best solution. It's first do the string, then do mine solution. So my solution is kind of the best solution. Just the difference is it make it like this, like this. Should I put this? I don't know. Let's try this. Is it the best one? No, it's the worst. It's worse. Why it's worse? Maybe I don't need to do put those. Is it true? Yes, but it's not. It's still not the best. Maybe it shouldn't. I shouldn't put here. No, I should. What did I miss in here? This solution is same. X equals a string. It's exactly the same solution, but this one is faster. I don't know why. So thank you for watching, and I think see you next time. Bye bye.